Welcome to the Zolmi Success Academy. In this video, you will learn how to add a new staff member to your Zolmi account. The benefits of using Zolmi staff profiles include ability to run payroll reports by adding wage and commission rates, allow staff to be booked 24/7 via your online booking page, and enable staff access to the Zolmi app. To add a new staff member, firstly go to the staff section, click on Add Staff. Add your staff member's name. Next, you will need to add their role. You will find a range of pre-added job roles to choose from. If your required type isn't listed, you're able to add your own. Adding a staff headshot photo will improve your client's experience when booking. We display your staff photo on your booking page. When cropping your image, we suggest you crop your image to just a headshot, as the image will be small on your booking page. You can store your staff email address here. If you want your staff member to have access to the Zolmi app, which is available in the app stores, you must add their email address to the profile. There are different levels of access that limit what a staff member can see and do in the app. We recommend that you select low access to give them the minimum access. When you save the new staff profile, Zolmi will send them an email with instructions on how to create their password to access their account. If you wish to provide commissions to your staff for services, you will need to activate service commissions. You are able to set fixed or tiered service commission for your staff. If you would like to learn more about staff commissions, click on the message at the top right of the screen now. Staff members who are employed and paid on an hourly basis can have their hourly rate added to the profile. For self-employed or commission-only staff, this should be left empty. If your business sells retail, you can allow your staff to receive product commission on products they sell. This data plus any service commission data will be added to the payroll reporting, which can be found in the reporting section. Enhance your booking page and your Beliata Marketplace profile by adding a short biography about your staff member. A good biography should make them more personable to your clients, which can help drive conversion and more bookings. You could include information about their training, years of experience, what they love about their job, hobbies, and how it is important to them to make their clients happy, for example. At Zolmi, we allow both administrators and service providers to have staff profiles. If you wish the staff member to be bookable in your calendar, Add to Calendar must be activated. You are able to allow your clients to book the staff member via your online booking page and Beliata Marketplace. To enable this, online booking must be activated. Once you have completed the staff profile, click Save. Now let's set your staff working hours. Your staff working hours are set the same as your business opening hours by default when a new staff profile is created. If you want to change them, click on the plus or click the shift you wish to change, which is identified by a color block displaying the shift start and finish times. Click on Add Shift. You can tick the days of the week you would like to set the hours for, then click on the time and choose Start and End of the staff member's shift. Next, click on Save. Top tip. If you are using online booking to allow your clients to book 24/7, we suggest that you check that the staff member is available on your booking page. To check this, go to your online booking page and attempt to book a service which the staff member provides. Checking this will ensure that you have set up their profile and their working hours correctly. That concludes how to add a new staff member to your Zolmi account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments section below. If you are new to Zolmi and would like to receive a 14-day free trial, scan the QR code on the screen now. To get the latest Zolmi updates on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and then click on the notification bell.